In today's video, I will teach you how to change the language on your TCL TV in a simple, quick and easy way. First, what you are going to do, I will go into quick settings here, right? Or you can press the settings button directly on your remote, which would be this button here. And here you will enter all the settings. You will enter the system option. And system, you go into language. And you will select the language chosen by you. I will set it to Canadian English here. And here it is already selected. You go back to the home screen, and it will automatically update your TV box and set the preferred language. So that's it, folks, on the final screen. I'll leave the suggested videos. Click on one of them and see you in the next video. Thanks! And until next time.